Okay, so congratulations on buying your first COSORI. I've been through them, had one. This is number 2. Top features. Yes, it does everything that everybody always says. You know, air fry, healthy cook, yada yada yada. Everybody's read all that. She purrs. She's big. 25 quarts, 11 in 1. Of course, it does all the fun stuff. This is not a touch screen. That's your start and your menu knob. This here are your sub buttons, aka modes, turbo, fans, lights, Fahrenheit, Celsius, time. Of course, you're also supposed to keep it free on the sides and the back because she does purr. And I mean, this is like I think I had, I did. I had this one. I had an 11 in 1, but I had the French doors. Doesn't matter. Best thing about this, the one thing that I do need to tell you, is that it comes with an app. Yes. It is also Google controlled, not Alexa. I thought it was Alexa, but it's not. It's Google, which is fine. I've got a Google. But the app is awesome. You can preheat, you can set everything up, you can make custom cook times. This is what nobody's telling you. You get the app, you get this. Awesome. You still got to come over and press that for preheat. So yeah, you're in bed, bada bing, bada boom, you set everything up, press start, you still got to come over here and press start there. Not ultra convenient, but hey, at least you get an app. Now, your pans, you've got the baking pan down there, which I only use, air fryer basket, and one oven rack. And there you go. Do I recommend it? Yeah. It is huge, but if you've got low counters like I do, it ain't gonna fit under those counters. So keep it out, keep it away, and you'll be good to go. It does hum, okay? Let's just be clear on that. This baby purrs, all right?
This is for the COSORI. Call it an air fryer. It toasts. You can bake in it. You can do all sorts of things. But I'm going to toast this. It's super easy. Just push power. Use the knob to choose toast, and then you just push it to start. We have used this almost every day since we bought it for different things, and we love it.
Alexa, turn my air fryer on.
Okay. At what temperature?
375 degrees.
Preheating air fryer to 375 degrees Fahrenheit.
Alexa, turn my air fryer off.
Okay.
This thing is so loud. After a little while, it started rattling or rumbling.